Here's a kind of a startling fact about AI. Most models, they never actually make it out into the real world. I mean, they're born in a lab, they show all this incredible promise, and then they just kind of disappear. We're going to dig into why that happens and, way more importantly, how we can fix it.
Okay, so why does this happen? Well, all that wasted potential really comes down to a fundamental misunderstanding. It's kind of like you've built this world-class, top-of-the-line racing engine, but you totally forgot to design the car it's supposed to go in. And that's the challenge we're talking about, bridging that huge gap between a cool algorithm and a real-world system that actually works.
So, to make that leap, we have to stop obsessing over the individual trees and start looking at the whole forest. And that requires a totally new way of thinking, a whole new discipline really, called AI engineering. It's all about shifting our focus from just perfecting one little piece to building the entire functional thing.
So what exactly is AI engineering? Well, you can think of it as the bridge between theory and reality. It's the craft of building AI that doesn't just perform well in a nice, clean lab, but actually thrives out in the messy, unpredictable real world. It's about making things reliable and scalable, right from the start.
And this right here is the core idea that makes it all click: the AI systems triangle. See, for way too long we've only focused on one corner, the models and the algorithms. But real success, that happens in the interplay between all three. A model is nothing without the right data, and both are useless without the right computing power. You neglect one, and the whole thing just falls apart.
What's great is that this gives us a clear roadmap for the whole AI lifecycle. You kick things off with the absolute foundation, data engineering. Getting the fuel for your system ready. Then you move on to model training. That's where you build the engine. But we're not done. Next up is system deployment, actually getting it out there. And finally, the part people always forget, production operations, making sure it keeps running smoothly, day in and day out.
And this all leads to a really powerful conclusion. In this new era of AI, what really sets you apart isn't just building a clever model. The single most important skill, the one that's going to shape careers, is knowing how to build, deploy, and maintain the entire system. It's about going from being a practitioner to being an architect.
So yeah, the whole conversation is changing. It's not just about can we build a better model anymore. The real question is, can we build a better system? The future of AI really depends on it. So, your journey into AI engineering, it starts right now.